Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the oven door handle for model 6275. You will be needing a star screwdriver and an 8mm wrench for this procedure. Open the oven door. Begin by placing a security tape from the back enamel to the front of the door to avoid the door from detaching. Close the oven door. Using an 8mm wrench, unscrew the bolts located in front of the oven door. Open oven door at 45-degree angle, position your handle, and tighten the screws. This completes the installation of your new oven handle.